So here's the lovely Jack and Morgan demonstrating the idea. Kids are all in a line, marching out to the beat.
Oh, we're marching in a line, we're waiting to move. We can touch our toes, we can touch the sky, we can do a funky groove. Oh, we're marching in a line, we're waiting to move. We can touch our toes, we can touch the sky, we can do a funky groove.
Oh, marching in a circle, little break.
Oh, we're marching in a line, we're waiting to move. We can touch our toes, we can touch the sky, we can do a funky groove. Oh, we're marching in a line, we're waiting to move. We can touch our toes, we can touch the sky, we can do a funky groove.
Yay! Little march on the spot there.
And a salute.
Woo! And children will love it, don't they?
Yeah.
Sorry about our dulcet tones. However, I'm sure that you've got the right idea with that, and that gave you a good idea of what we're trying to achieve. The kids love it, don't they?
Yeah.
And once they've been taught the rhyme or the little song with the actions, they're away, and it's something you can just pull out anytime when they're stood in a line, and they love it.
You can even do it outside. Once they know it, they don't need the music, do they? They can just do it themselves.
Yeah.
In the yard or in the playground.
Yeah. So just a little activity for a line. We've got plenty more on iMoves that you can find, and they go right the way through the ages, right from your early years, your 4 to 5 years, right up to your 10 to 11 years. So lots and lots to choose from, and your standing in line activities with iMoves.